Many people are noticing that their auto insurance rates have increased dramatically. Even safe drivers are seeing higher premiums, and it's natural to wonder why. The truth is, several factors are at play, and most are beyond your control. But understanding them can help you take back some control over what you pay. First, repair costs are higher. Cars today have more advanced technology like sensors, cameras, and batteries that make repairs more expensive. Supply chain issues and inflation have also made car parts and labor more costly. Then there's severe weather. Storms, floods, hail, and wildfires are happening more often, leading to more claims and higher payouts across the industry. In some states, new laws and insurance regulations are also affecting how companies calculate risk and set rates. And finally, global events like economic shifts and reinsurance costs trickle down to what we all pay. So, what can you do to help lower your premium? Start by reviewing your coverage. Make sure it fits your current needs, not more or less than necessary. Ask about available discounts. Many insurers offer savings for safe driving, bundling policies, or installing anti-theft devices. Be sure to keep your record clean. Staying safe on the road can make a real difference over time. You can also raise your deductible if you're comfortable with a little more out-of-pocket risk. And finally, shop around and compare rates regularly. Even small differences can add up to big savings. Rising rates are a complex issue, but with the right knowledge, you can make smart choices that help you save. Explore and get answers at TruStage.com.